In this video, I'll go over how you can fix an Uber Eats promo code that is not applied. So if you have a promo code that won't apply to your order, then here is how you can fix it. So first, there is some important information you need to know. So what you can do is just go to your account in the bottom right, and from there click promotions, and there you will find all of your promo codes. And basically a promo code can only be used once, and any leftover credit on a single promotion does not apply to future orders. Also remember that each promo code has its own terms and conditions, so make sure you are using it in the applicable location, currency, and before the expiration date. Because, for example, some promo codes only apply to new users, so if it's then not your first order, it could be that it won't apply. However, if the promo code does apply to you, but for some reason they won't apply to your order, then something that I have seen work for other people is, for example, if you're right now ordering on your phone, go and do it on desktop, and if you're doing it on desktop, go and do it on your phone, so do it on the app or website. And another problem that some people have mentioned that if they fixed that it did work is that if you have multiple accounts, and for example you're ordering for the first time on a new account so that you can get a promo code, then if you're using the same payment methods, for example the same credit card as you did on your old account, then it will recognize it basically as the same person, and therefore it then won't apply. So then you will need to use a different payment method. So that's two things you can try to fix the Uber Eats promo code not being applied. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.